So hey guys, how's it going? Halloween is like really close, and I thought I would get into the spirit by answering a little Halloween question, because it's only one. What are you going to be for Halloween, and can you show us your costume? Yes, I will show you my costume. I'm actually a black Angry Bird. If you've ever played the game Angry Birds. So I decided to go around my neighborhood and dance in my costume, and legitly enough, I had neighbors moving in today, and they were all carrying a big mattress into their house, and they saw me dancing in my giant Angry Bird costume, and they started cracking up laughing, and it was just really funny. But I didn't get their reaction on tape, I just got me dancing. So I'm just gonna show you the whole montage of me dancing. So here we go. So, as you know, Halloween is coming up. I already said once before, I'm going trick-or-treating. I mean, I'm 13 years old, I still go trick-or-treating. But some people think I'm too old. Come on, I just got into my teenage years. I'm only in the 9th grade. And there's only one night that we all get candy, and I want to know what you guys think. So, comment down below if you think I'm still young enough to go trick-or-treating, because like I said, some of my friends aren't even going trick-or-treating because they think they're too old. You're never too old to get candy. Remember that, kids. So you know what I find really annoying? Let's see, people. Just playing. But the fact that people say like a lot, that just really gets on my last nerve. Here's my last nerve. It gets on it. So here's how it goes. So did you get question 10 on the homework? Oh yeah, I have question 10. Oh, do you think you could tell me what it's about? Because I really don't get it. Sure, it's about that one time that they went into the maze, and they couldn't come out, and it was so scary, but I still watched it, and I just thought it was amazing, because that just is the kind of person I am, you know, it's just bananas are awesome. You like Carl, that's an awesome name, and it's just YouTube. Yeah, I make YouTube videos too, and yeah, that's what I got for question 10. Never mind, I'll just ask someone else. Oh, okay, thanks.
I just wanted the answer.
No need to throw in those extra likes. Except for, liking this video. The leaves. They're all dead. Everywhere. They're dead. Oh, look, I found one that's still alive. See, it's still alive. Not anymore, it isn't. What? Yes, it's dead.